All right, I'm almost finished. There was one issue. I'll show you. Let me flip it around. Let's see. Well, let's see. Okay, can't flip my camera. All right, so seated on properly until I got to the very end right here, and it started one side of the bead. See this portion of the tire, which it's a pyramid type wheel tire, and that edge fell inside the bead. So what I'm doing to correct that is this screwdriver all the way in, and I've corrected about half of the run. So grab this and pull it, and it's in. So we have a corrected bead. The entire tire, get it? Is seated properly. So now I just have to reinstall the grab rail and put it back on the wheelchair. So, had fun. It was a challenge, but we conquered it. All right, go YouTube.